top African cities for a vibrant young adult nightlife. Africa's nightlife thrives with energy, offering young adults an unforgettable mix of vibrant rhythms, dazzling lights, and cultural diversity. From the bustling streets to the serene beaches, the continent's after-dark scene is a unique blend of traditional beats and modern tunes. Cape Town stands out as a cosmopolitan hub, where nightlife isn't just an activity, but a lifestyle. The city boasts an array of bars, clubs and lounges, each offering a different vibe, from high-energy dance floors to relaxed rooftop terraces overlooking the Atlantic. Lagos, known as the heartbeat of Africa's party scene, never sleeps. With its endless clubs and beachfront parties, the city offers an electrifying atmosphere. Lagos's nightlife is a testament to the Nigerian spirit of joy, resilience and communal celebration. Nairobi presents a unique nightlife experience, where traditional African music meets contemporary beats. The city's clubs and bars are lively, with the sounds of local bands blending with international hits, reflecting Kenya's rich cultural heritage and modern outlook. Marrakech's nightlife enchants visitors with its exotic allure. Amidst historic settings, the city comes alive at night with traditional Moroccan music, belly dancing and luxurious lounges. The blend of history and modernity offers a night experience like no other. Accra, Ghana, is a beacon of hospitality, drawing visitors into its warm embrace with vibrant rhythms and an eclectic mix of musical genres. From high life to Afro beats, the city's clubs and bars offer an immersive experience into Ghana's rich musical heritage. Johannesburg, South Africa, is the epitome of chic and trendy nightlife. The city boasts an array of sophisticated clubs and iconic rooftop bars, offering panoramic views of the urban skyline. It's a place where fashion meets the pulsating beats of local and international DJs. Cairo, Egypt, merges the mystique of the Middle East with a pulsing nightlife scene. Amidst ancient monuments, contemporary Cairo comes alive at night with bustling cafes, lively clubs and traditional entertainment, reflecting the city's unique blend of history and modernity. Dakar, Senegal, offers a nightlife experience deeply rooted in its musical traditions. From the soulful sounds of mbalaks to the infectious rhythms of Afropop, the city's nightlife is a testament to Senegal's influential musical landscape, drawing both locals and tourists alike. Tunis, Tunisia invites visitors to Mediterranean evenings filled with the charm of North African culture. The city's nightlife is a vibrant tapestry of cultural festivals, lively bars and clubs, all set against the backdrop of Tunisia's rich history and Mediterranean allure. Exploring local cuisines and drinks is a quintessential part of the nightlife adventure in Africa. From spicy jollof rice in Lagos to aromatic tagines in Marrakech, each city offers a unique taste that complements its nocturnal festivities. Local brews and cocktails infused with indigenous ingredients add an authentic touch to the experience, making every night out a culinary journey. Safety during night outs cannot be overstated. Major African cities are generally welcoming, but it's wise to stay informed about the areas you plan to visit. Opting for reputable transportation, staying in groups, and keeping personal belongings secure can ensure an enjoyable and safe experience. Local guides often provide invaluable insights into navigating the vibrant, yet sometimes unpredictable nightlife. Music and dance are the soul of Africa's nightlife, serving as a universal language that brings people together. Whether it's the energetic Afro beats in Lagos, soothing jazz in Cape Town, or traditional drum rhythms in Dakar, each city has its rhythm that defines its nights. Dance floors come alive with locals and visitors alike, sharing in the joyous expression of culture and freedom. The nightlife scene significantly boosts local economies, creating numerous jobs and supporting small businesses. Bars, clubs and restaurants thrive, especially in cities with a booming tourism sector. This economic infusion extends to local artisans, taxi drivers and entertainers, showcasing the multifaceted benefits of vibrant night scenes. International tourists have a profound influence on the nightlife landscape, introducing new cultures and expectations. interaction encourages innovation and diversity in entertainment offerings, from upscale lounges catering to international tastes to local spots highlighting traditional music and dance, creating a dynamic, ever-evolving party scene. Festivals and events across Africa's vibrant cities serve as a pulsating heart of nightlife, drawing both locals and international visitors. These gatherings showcase the continent's rich cultural tapestry, featuring live music, dance and art, creating unforgettable experiences under the African sky. Coastal cities offer a unique blend of nightlife, with beachside parties and bars providing a breezy backdrop to the evening's festivities. Inland cities, however, offer a more intimate setting, where the nightlife is infused with local traditions and close-knit community vibes. Social media has revolutionised the way nightlife destinations in Africa promote themselves, offering a window into the continent's pulsating evenings. Platforms like Instagram and Twitter buzz with hashtags and vibrant snapshots, enticing global partygoers to experience Africa's night scene firsthand. Luxury and VIP experiences in Africa's top cities cater to those seeking exclusivity and opulence. From private booths in Johannesburg's trendy clubs to exclusive beach parties in Cape Town, these premium offerings combine high-end entertainment with unparalleled service. The conversation around nightlife in Africa is increasingly focusing on sustainability and responsible partying. Cities are adopting eco-friendly practices and encouraging partygoers to minimise their environmental impact, ensuring that the vibrant night scene remains a joy for generations to come. The future of nightlife in Africa is on a promising trajectory, fueled by innovative trends and a growing global interest. Cities are blending traditional elements with modern flair, creating unique experiences that attract both locals and international visitors. From eco-friendly party venues to digital advancements in event management, the scene is evolving rapidly, ensuring that Africa remains a vibrant hotspot for nightlife enthusiasts. Africa's top cities are becoming essential destinations for anyone looking to experience the world's best nightlife. With a mix of cultural richness, diverse music scenes, and unparalleled hospitality, these cities offer something truly special. Whether it's the rhythmic beats of Dakar or the sophisticated lounges of Cape Town, Africa's nightlife is a testament to the continent's dynamic and evolving entertainment landscape, making it a must-visit for partygoers around the globe.